Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Mentored. So today I will be discussing about Class 5 English Olympiad syllabus and marks division. Before I start the video, I will request you to please do subscribe to my channel so in future when I post English tutorial videos, you get the notification and you can learn from that. So let's start today's video.
International Olympiad of English Language Silverzone Class 5 Level 1. The total number of questions will be 30 and total marks will be 100 and duration of exam will be 40 minutes. All total you will get 4 sections. Section A, B, C, D, E. First section is Section A, correct application of grammar. In this section you will get topic of grammar like parts of speech, articles, determinants, modals, subject verb agreement, tense, error finding. The total number of questions will be 10 and each carries 3 marks. So the total marks is 30. Next is section B is the vocabulary knowledge. In this section you will get synonyms, antonyms, jumble sentence or words, one word substitution, spelling test. The number of questions will be 8, each carries 3 marks. So the total marks is 24. Section C is about reading and comprehension skill. Here you will get comprehension ability. The number of questions is 3, each carries 3 marks. So the total number is 9. In section D, you will get writing and speaking ability. Here you will get types of sentences, rearrangement of sentences, voice change, narration change, subject predicate. The number of questions will be 4 and each carries 3 marks, so the total number is 12. Section E is excellence zone, the high order thinking question, syllabus as per ABCD.
Hope you have gotten full idea about what are the topics you need to cover, what are the things you need to learn, and what will be your marks division, what will be your time duration. I have tried my best to cover everything in this video. If anything is left or if anything else you want to know, do let me know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.